Hey guys, so today we're going to do a short, sweet, quick DIY tutorial. We're going to be replacing the fuel filter on a 2004 Nissan Xterra. This one's specifically supercharged. I'm going to try to get that knocked out because it's having some running issues, and I'm hoping it's just a filter. It's never that easy, but at least I'll show you how to do it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is crawl onto the passenger side, the right side of the vehicle. Once you're down here, you'll be able to see the fuel tank. And right in front of the fuel tank is this cover right here. This is a mount for the fuel filter. So we're going to zip off this bolt, and this is going to be a mounting plate for the fuel filter, so we're going to zip off this bolt as well. Now once you have these bolts out, you can pull this cover off, and that'll expose your fuel filter. From there, on mine, there is a Phillips and a Phillips fuel hose clamp. And then there's going to be another 10mm right here clamping the fuel filter into this mount. So we're going to pop off this hose, undo that bolt up there, old fuel filter will come out. All right, I got the hose clamps loosened on both sides, and this bracket is also loose. So now I'm going to twist these and pull them off. Another trick is to use PB Blaster, WD-40, and then take flathead or some needle nose pliers and pry upwards from this little gap right here if you can get under it. But this looks like it has been replaced at some point before, so I should just be able to twist them off. All right, so hopefully this will be my issue. Some of it spilled out already. You can see how dirty that was. This is the inlet. This is the outlet. Make sure you put it in the correct orientation, the same way you pulled it out. So this is the fuel going in. This is the fuel coming out. So I think this fuel filter was a little clogged. Hopefully that fixes my problem. So the new filter, make sure you slide it into the cup. You can go ahead and tighten it down if you want to. I'm going to hold off till I get it all together. And then remember, make sure you put it on the right side. This is the fuel out. It says on the top. If you can see it right there, it says out, which means the side will be the inlet. Inlet is coming from the tank into the engine, and it's going this way. So I'm going to put the hoses on, put the clamps on, mount it back up, and cross my fingers. Thank you very much for watching this quick little tutorial. Have a great day.